In this video, we are gonna look at the if statements in Java. Now, if statements are very important because using them we can create programs that can take decisions based on certain conditions. So first, let me create a new array of strings. Let me name this as colors and add 5 colors to it. So red, green, blue, violet, and pink. Now in order to select a random color, let us use the math class or the Java util package, and on this we have the random method. So this will give us a random number between 0 and 1, and this will be of type double by default, and we multiply this with the length of our colors array. Now as a result we get a double. Next we can apply the math.floor on this product so that we get a down value, but that is again of type double, and we know that we want an integer index to pick a color. So let us explicitly typecast this to get an integer index. So here we can say int, and let us use this as the index. Wrap this in square braces and colors. So we access the color using the index that we get from this entire thing to pick a random color. So we can store this in a string random color. Now we can use an if statement followed by a parenthesis. Inside this pair of parentheses, we specify a boolean expression or a boolean value. Now if the condition specified within the parentheses comes out to be true, then the code block pertaining to this if block will run. So let me first print the random color right here. And now let us check for the random color. So if the random color double equals to red, so this is our boolean expression. So if the random color comes out to be red, let us print to the terminal roses are red. Now this was just one condition. We can create an if-else-if ladder to check various possibilities and run the code block for which the random color matches. Now this was our first condition. Let us add the second condition. So right after the code block of our if statement, type else if. Once again we add the parentheses, and inside the parentheses we type the boolean expression. So let us add the second condition, random color is green. So if our random color is green, we'll execute this code block. So inside this code block, let us print trees are green. Else if the random color comes out to be blue, then let us print sky is blue. Else if the random color is violet, the first character here should be in uppercase, so green. This should be blue, and this should be capital V violet. Let us print here violet is one of the wavelengths present in the rainbow. Else if the random color comes out to be pink, then let us print I hate pink color. So now we are done with the if-else-if ladder. Let us give this a whirl. So javac basics.java. Okay, so we are getting an error here. Let me correct this first. We need a semicolon right here. Let us recompile our code. And now run this Java basics. So you can see for the first execution, we are getting the random color as red, and the code block pertaining to the random color red gets executed, which says roses are red. Let us again try this out. This time we get trees are green. And finally one more time. And this time we get sky is blue. Now here in the above if statement, you can see we are having 5 clauses. So this is the first clause, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, and finally this one. So in total 5 clauses. So this was all I wanted to cover about if statement in this video. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up or comment down below if you have any query. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's catch up in the very next one.